Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video I want to do a quick unboxing on the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and this is it's not just a regular GoPro. Well, it is, but it's the special bundle, so it comes with like extra accessories and stuff. So let's do a quick unboxing, and later on I want to do another video talking about why I choose the GoPro over the DJI. So stay tuned for that video too. So let's take this open. So there's nothing in the box. That's all it comes with. Here's the GoPro. The GoPro itself, it's really light. I have the GoPro Hero 4 and this feels really light compared to the other one. I know it took me 4 years to upgrade, but I was waiting for something good, and I found a good deal on Black Friday because the GoPro by itself is $400, and for Black Friday it was $350 with the accessories, and I'm about to show you what's the accessories. So here's the GoPro with a mount, and then some boots. And then this one comes with the 32 gigabytes SD card. If you want to go for more memory, I would suggest for you to go to Amazon instead of buying it at the store like a Best Buy or Best Buy website, because on Amazon is a little cheaper. If you're trying to save some money, it's a little cheaper buying them. It's the same thing about all my memory cards on Amazon because it's way cheaper. And honestly, I have a 128 and a 64, so more likely I'm gonna use it. But it's always good to have a backup, so I don't mind having this. This special bundle comes with the, of course, the battery for the GoPro. That comes by if you buy it like it's regular, and it comes with the extra battery. The thing I don't like about this bundle is that it doesn't come with the dual adapter, so you can charge it. So if you want to charge the extra battery, you have to take it out of the GoPro, put it in the GoPro, and then plug it in to charge it. So that's the bad thing I don't like about this bundle. Instead of putting the headband, I feel like they should have put the dual charger, but because I don't even need this, I already got one. But I guess it's good to have an extra one. And then comes with, of course, another mount. And I don't have one of these, so I kind of want to start about this one. It's like a little selfie stick, I guess, and at the same it's like a tripod. So that's pretty cool. I like that, and I think this is things. Yeah, it goes a little higher too, so that's pretty cool. So I'm probably gonna use this for sure, but I don't really need the headband on the SD card. But I thought it was a good deal. You get a little extra more accessories for the price. Let me know what you think about this video, and thanks for watching.